Okay, for this video, we're going to show you how to do the serial bus connection for the G31. Okay, there are basically two items that you need for a start. Okay, the blank plug, as well as the serial bus cable. So we're going to show you the right connection for the serial bus. First of all, you're going to put the blank plug into the gain port. Okay, which for the purpose of a safety, you're not supposed to run any voltage through the gain. It's meant for pitch and auxiliary as well as the gyro gain. So we got to prevent that from plugging other cables into that channel. That's the purpose of the blank plug, for you to block out other access, okay, of other cables which you may accidentally plug in. So the next one we're going to plug in is the serial bus cable. The Sbus cable will go to the port next to it, which is the SRX1. And next, connect the Sbus cable to the receiver and make sure that the cable is connected well into the serial bus channel on the receiver. Okay, there's a plus and minus polarity for you to refer on the Sbus PCB board. Okay, just follow the plus and minus, connect it right into the receiver over there, the Sbus channel. And after which you may go ahead and power up the receiver. Okay, and on the transmitter and power up the receiver. Alright, and watch out for the blinking sequence and initializing process of the G31. And go on and plug in the interface cable into the gyro. Alright. Okay, go ahead and click on the setup guide and select the receiver type to Sbus. Okay, and then go ahead and do the usual calibration and the directions of the stick movement, okay, as we have shown you on the previous video. Okay, when you sweep all the sticks to the left and right, up and down for the cyclics, okay, you got to make sure that the left limit and the right limit falls to 100 and 100. Now for this case, let's go on to the aileron. If you sweep to the maximum to the right, it shows here 101. Okay, it's supposed to be 100, so all you have to do is to go to the endpoint adjustment and adjust that value down a little bit until it reaches 100 on both the limits, left and right. Okay, let's go on to the left. Okay, that's perfect. So we will go on to the elevator. So we will have to make sure that the push, alright, the down elevator, the push, it's 100, as well as the pull must be 100. Okay, now this is 99, so we're going to put it up on the endpoint adjustment. Okay. Or you can do all this using the subframe on the transmitter. There's no parameters for you to adjust the endpoint on the software, so you've got to do this on the transmitter. Okay, as well as the pitch and the rudder left and right. You're going to make sure both limits on all the cyclics and the rudder left and right must be 100 on both limits. That's for the Sbus connection on the G31 Robird.